In this module, you'll learn how to work with data that changes over time. This is called time series analysis. A common example is financial data like stock or bond prices, but time series analysis is also useful in many other areas of business, such as tracking of sales, customer complaints, or shipping capacity. The main goal is to understand patterns in this kind of data and make predictions about what might happen in the future. We'll start with some basic ideas about how time series data behaves, like moving averages, random walks, and autoregressive models. These are simple models that help us build toward more advanced ones like ARIMA models. You'll also learn about techniques that help smooth out data, so it's easier to spot trends and patterns without getting distracted by too much noise or detail. Another key part of time series analysis is understanding something called stationarity. In simple terms, it's when the data behaves consistently over time. We'll talk about strong and weak stationarity and why it matters, especially when using tools like the autocorrelation function ACF, which helps in fitting ARIMA models. You'll learn how to prepare your data, using methods like transformation, differencing, and detrending, so it meets the requirements for ARIMA modeling. ARIMA stands for Autoregressive Integrated Moving Average, and it builds on the basic models we mentioned earlier. Once your data is ready, you'll learn how to fit ARIMA models and use them to make predictions. We'll also briefly look at GARCH models. These are a bit more advanced and are used mostly in finance. Instead of predicting the actual values, GARCH models predict how much the values are likely to vary, which is helpful when dealing with things like financial market risk. Throughout the module, you'll use R to apply what you've learned. There are lots of hands-on exercises to help you get comfortable with analyzing time series data in a practical way.